Hello everyone. We'll wait for a minute or two. Sure, sir. We'll begin in a minute. Okay, so let's start. Hello everyone. A very good afternoon to everyone who's watching this video. My name is Shraddha Shaw. Before I begin, I want to thank our idealized director Ambika Burman, esteemed director Syed Hassan Ahmed, and respected CEO SY Taruj, and my whole team of Gold Sikka for giving me this opportunity to introduce our company. To begin with, Gold Sikka was launched in 2019, but we are in the market with various business names over 25 years, and our company is based at Hyderabad. What do we do? We are specialized in gold trading and providing tangible benefits of gold assets. We provide best services through various channels and affordable gold plans for all classes. We provide insights in international gold trade markets and supporting people to understand the investment benefits of gold. As we all know, gold plays major role in an economy, and we share its benefits of savings in gold. Mission of Gold Sikka Limited is to stimulate, sustain demand for gold, provide monetization, and be the leader of the gold liquidity. Vision is to build, characterize, designate, exemplify, illustrate, interpret, formalize, and label gold as timeless currency with absolute class denomination. Culture here at Golsika is very friendly. People engage with one another in a positive way throughout the workday. It is also challenging where employees are encouraged to explore the full potential of their skill sets at, as they are likely to grow through the job experience. It is engaging as employees feel invested in their work and it speaks to their interests. It is nurturing also because company is invested in employees' growth and development. Lastly, I would say it is collaborative, which signifies that employees in teams work well together cross functionally to accomplish their goals. So, the question here is what makes us apart from the competitors in the market? We work directly with the clients and customer, which is wholesale and retail business side by side. We listen to our customer needs and their strategies that are specially designed to achieve their goals. We also invest enough time in training our employees and upskilling them. Now, let's talk about the most important thing why we are here is that what do we serve? So, I'll talk about the gold plans of Gold Sikka. Coming to the first, which is My Gold 2021. Gold Sikka offers the best systematic purchase plan SPP on gold with minimum monthly installment. We offer 0% interest. Buy the gold jewelry on MMI monthly minimum monthly installment with 99.9 pure gold coin biscuits, bars, or jewelry with flexible tenure. With the ever increasing prices of gold, My Gold 2021 offers you access to convert your gold savings into gold through regular periodic investments. And also, apart from this, you get 10% cashback on monthly payment for a minimum purchase of 10 grams gold onwards. MyGo 2021 offers a saving plan for customers to accumulate 24 carat 99.9 pure gold. Pay your minimum monthly installment after completing tenure. Customer can redeem their gold. We work with trusteeship service registered with RBI and SEBI to ensure that gold is secured and safe. Flexi tenure options of 6, 12, 18, and 24 months. So get your gold delivered at your doorstep or you can visit Gold Sikka head office. Second is the DigiGold. As we know, Indians have always had a passion of buying gold, particularly on auspicious occasions. Demand for gold is interwoven with culture, tradition, and planning for financial protection at times in crisis. Goldsika has launched DigiGold to help customers quick, easy, safe access to purchase gold with a low as 50 rupees. We provide you the best process of buying gold with real-time market-linked pricing and give delivery of physical gold as well. So this DigiGold, also known as Digital Wallet Gold, is a purchase plan that you can buy 24 carat 99.9% pure gold and pay amount as per your convenience with a minimum amount of, as I said, 50 only. Payment can be made on a daily, weekly, and monthly basis. No fixed payment period and no fixed payment amount. Interesting. So I'll discuss about the third plan, which is the Gold Plus. Gold Sikka offers unique Gold Plus schemes, which earns benefits of getting 1 month free installment from Gold Sikka on completion of 11 months. Purchase any jewelry of your choice at just 50% value addition after completion of 11 months tenure. Flexible payment tenure for 11 months at minimum amount as per customer convenience, which starts from rupees 1000, which is the minimum, and maximum is 5000 per application. Gold delivery will be after completion of the tenure. So, I would like to tell you about the benefits of this plan. The benefits are 1 month free installment paid by the company when you complete your 11 months tenure, 22 carat purity of gold, gold rate calculated on minimum monthly installment payment day. On successful completion of 11 months, member can purchase gold jewelry of their choice. They can earn the benefit of 1 month free installment besides taking home any gold of their choice. Apart from this, we also have special schemes. Currently, we are running a Aksha Titya scheme 2021. This offer is valid for purchases between February 2021 till 10th May 2021. Besides this, we have Diwali 2021 scheme. You can easily buy gold now with 9 month installment plan. And this offer starts from February 2021 and it is valid till 30th October 2021. Currently, the most important plan that we are running is financial year end plan. So here what you do is you can book 10 grams gold and get 1 free gram gold on 12 months plan. Booking validity is till 31st March, so you need to hurry up. For all that, you need to visit to our website www.goldsikka.com, and you can also download our app on your mobile. Also, please do subscribe to all social media channels to stay updated for more gold offers and updates of gold. Please contact us or comment below for any queries or suggestions. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day.